Hey everybody, Jacob Godar here with Scooters Lawn Care in Cape Coral, Florida. It is so close to everyone coming back, snowbirds coming back in, us being really busy. And in preparation for all of that, we're talking to a lot of clients about their Lanai lighting. Really trying to prepare for seasons when we're all getting together and we're really enjoying the good weather here. I mean, it's the whole reason to be in Florida during the wintertime. And that's where you can still go outside, you can still do stuff. And one of the things that I've always noticed most here, and especially at my house, before we started doing the Lanai lighting, we used landscape lighting around the pool to really try to light it up and make it not so dark, because it's a black hole here. Once we started doing the Lanai lighting, the overhead lighting, the sconce lighting, we implemented that at my house. And now, instead of you just having that, I know the feeling you feel at your house. You have the cutout, the little area where you sit, where your table and whatnot is, and then there's your pool deck. And usually the only lighting is right under that little nook at your house. And then the whole pool area, yeah, you have a pool light, and that does light it up some, but the main lighting is right here. The beautiful thing about doing some form of Lanai lighting is it extends that light, and it allows you to have multicolor. It allows you to have a dim or bright. It allows you, if you're wanting to do a cleanup after a get together, I think that's one of the most common challenges us as parents have, and just people in general. So whether you have a get together, you got a little kids out on your Lanai, cleaning up after a get together and being able to see, you know, because it's best to just clean it up right now and then you don't have to worry about it the next day. I always hate waking up and seeing a bunch of remnants from a get together. And that's what's nice. You can turn on the bright white cool light LEDs and it's like a spotlight out on the whole Lanai. You can see everything. So if there's a Cheeto right there, I can pick that up. If there's a spilled drink or something over here, I can clean that up as well. I can take care of all the trash and get all the stuff out of the pool, and I can get it organized so it's just done. And that's been one of the coolest pieces of having Lanai lighting, is the ability to flick it on, set a mood, flick it on, make it where it's easy to clean up and easy to see everything, or just turn it on and make it where it's not so dim and dark throughout the entire property. And this really preps you for the off season when you're hanging out with family and friends. I mean, if you have a house here, one of the things a lot of us do is we have people down from up north in the off season. They're freezing and they want to be able to hang out and they want to be able to do things that are still fun. Be in a pool, do all these different deals. So if you've got a pool heater so people can enjoy it in the winter, you should have lighting too, because it makes such a huge difference. It makes it where it's not so dark. And we love doing this for people. We love doing these installs for people. And that's just the plus sides of this. After that is the great installation. These installs are super clean. They're all powered from the very top of the Lanai. There are so few visible wires, and the majority of the Cat 5 wire runs through the same area where you put the actual screen wire or the screen retention rope, and so you can barely see it, you know. So if you have a white Lanai, we can get white wire. If you have a brown Lanai, we can have black or dark, so it just blends right in. And the fixtures don't require drilling, they just require you to snap them into the beams. So we can do overheads or we can do surround sconces, and these systems are awesome because they operate separately. It's on a relay. That's the one thing you can probably see up on the corner of your Lanai where it gets powered. This is all LED, this is all low voltage, it's all getting plugged in at a transformer on the side of your house, getting plumbed up to the top of your Lanai where it hits a relay box, and from there we're powering the whole top with low voltage power. So your overhead lights are separate from your sconce lights. You can turn one on or both on or vice versa, and then you can also dim them differently. You can make the top a different color from the bottom. So if you're a sports fan and you got two colors that really go with that and you're out watching a sports game, you could have your colors. You know, we had one client who loved turquoise. She's really concerned about being able to see and be able to walk the dog, so it can be turned on bright white for that. But then she's got turquoise saved, so she's got turquoise cushions, turquoise dock lights, and landscape lighting and Lanai lighting, and it's a really clean vibe all the way through. So there are so many cool things you can do with this. It also has a 5-year warranty on this stuff, and we've been extremely happy with these fixtures and these installs, and our clients can definitely back that it looks awesome. It's well worth it, and it's a really clean, quick install. Hope you're getting ready to spend time with family and friends just like I am in the off season. When I guess it's not the off season. For us, it is season. See you soon.